morning, YouTubers. Bellamonte's Creations here, and it's been a couple good days, if not a week or so, since I did a video. But that's because I've been working on things. I've been working on the garden, getting the garden weeded and watered. I lost 3 tomato plants to something that ate them. I got 1 tomato which I ate, which was lovely and flavorful, and 1 cucumber. For all the money I invested in it, it definitely financially is not paying off, but I guess it's something to tend to, and a fresh tomato and a cucumber out of the garden is a lovely and wonderful thing. Let me show you where we've been with Frankie Stein's castle, her seaside castle home. Okay, we discovered a couple videos back that, I'm going to set this down, a couple videos back that when Draculaura went to visit Frankie Stein, there was no place for her to sit. So I had to make an extension to that townhome. Okay, so this is the creation. The metal candle holder was modified to hold the extension of the townhome, so I can put a little foot cushion there, so everybody or friends can at least sit in the townhome and have popcorn and iced tea or whatever you drink. In Draculaura's case, it's supposed to be cherry juice. Anyway, this is the bottom, which will be seen from the garage if you're looking up, standing in the garage. Alright, so it had to get all the glued together, and of course it had to get the glue together in phases, because that's how I build. This still has to go on, and I tend to build and create things as I see them, or as I fit them. So they tend to work out sometimes. Anyway, that's funny. I'm going to change angles here a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys and it's going to be a slow process of the idea of this. Okay. Remember, I used the coffee mug arms as the concrete boots for the legs. Okay, so now what we have here is that's exactly why I'm showing you what's going on. It has to be grouped. This is funny. Screwed in to hold it, okay? So where you're going to see the screws are down in here. See that? Okay, so that brought the question along as to what tool to use to attach those screws. I'm going to show you something. I've got the little screw box, which has this size screws I can use in it. Little tiny screwdriver I came across, but I bought this when I first got into the crafting habit of little tiny drill bits and a little tiny hand drill. For mainly my idea was to do kitchen cabinet handles for 1/6 scale, or jewelry box handles, little tiny holes for beadwork or whatever. Okay, that's where we're at. Never opened the package because I have my friend my rigid drill, which has tiny bits in it, but not as so tiny as this package. Okay, so what to do. We're going to attach this today, and then we're going to put it back in its location. I do want to put, I'm going to go slow, so we'll go slow. Mermaid Barbie says hello. She's still hanging out there in the ocean. Nona Barbie and Kathy E. Barbie are hanging out. Another project is, I don't know if you remember when I got this little wedding dress. It was in a haul kind of from the Episcopal thrift shop, and it was in such bad shape, filthy dirty. Looked like it got caught in the wheel of somebody's bicycle or something, tore a hole into it. I patched it because I just think it's a lovely piece. And now I came across this at the reshed. I'm going to put this on the back of that and attach it. And now, who wouldn't want to get married in something that festive? Kind of looks a little bit Christmassy, but I think if you're into these colors, you could use it whenever you wanted to. Also got myself some fall foliage. Always adding more stuff up here. Little silver, gold planters that I got at the reshed. A spring I came across because I really love it. Okay, so these threads or ropes, to keep everything festive, not festive, what do they say? Aesthetic. I don't know if it's called aesthetic, but in my design world, I wanted it to look so seashorey as possible. And of course, off Ocean City has always been my go-to town. Haven't been there this year. Don't know when I get to go again. But here you go. Roping the pilings or the front pilings with rope is very seashorey. And I'm going to show you that when it's done. Don't know if it'll get done today or not, but that's where I'm at with this, guys. These girls, Alphaba, came in from the garden because she was watering. Remember I told you? Watering tomatoes because it's dry as all get out up in that garden. Hopefully with the little bit of rain we've got. And the watering that got done, it helps the tomatoes. Frankie Stein is back here still resting this leg. She's probably going to get with Dr. Kathy Barbie and find out why it's bothering her so bad. Anyway, guys, got a new plant from the dollar store. These girls are hanging out. Leah Barbie and Aunt Joanne Barbie. Caroline Barbie. And Kinsey Barbie. Kate Barbie. Playing the guitar. When she's not playing the guitar, she's playing with a bow and arrow. Target Queen. Not the store. Anyway, guys. Rowan Manda Steen is here. I don't see where her kid's at. Uh-oh, we need to find a kid. Oh, she fell over. Onyx. Everything else looks pretty good with the construction that's going on over here. Barn Girl who dropped their hammer, is supervising construction. So that's why we need to get on with it. Luckily, the home can be moved to the job site and be modified and built. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Please give me the thumbs up, like and subscribe. I hope you're being blessed. I know I am. Peace out.